So hi everyone, Kelly asked me to do a video on how to get your stoma bag off with only 2 sprays of the adhesive. So I'll do that, and I'll also go through the rest of my bag change routine along with how to put on a barrier ring. So if you bear with me, because I don't normally do this with clothes on. So just had a shower, wet ostomy bag, and I've got my adhesive remover. And the trick is if you peel down a little bit, I'm quite lucky, mine's quite a soft convex, so it doesn't stay stuck like very often. So if you just peel down a little bit, and it's literally 2 sprays. So if you do one side, as you see, that's starting to slide off. And if you do 2 on the other side, and that is literally it. So if I pull that down, that's all off. I'll just put that in the bin. So I have my sterilised wet wipes, which I clean off the site with. So give that a good old clean up. Oh, that's all right. I can't wait when I finish this, because I haven't had breakfast this morning, so I could guarantee that it wasn't going to do a Jackson Pollock on me. So give that a good old clean off. Right, so as you can see there, even with the 2 sprays, all of the adhesive, so that is including from the bag and the barrier ring, is no longer on there. So I'm just going to give that a bit of a dry wipe. So do that, and then I've got my barrier cream, which is that one, which I use just to protect my skin. Since I've been using the barrier rings, I no longer have to use the barrier powder as a crusting method, so that's brilliant. So I just give that a wipe round there. This stuff dries really quickly. It's just a matter of about 10 seconds and it's done, it's dusted and it's dry. So I've put that round, massage it in, it's all done. Right, so the next I'm using the Ekin Slims, which is the barrier ring. As you can see, I've already taken mine out and I've already ripped it, because to me, you always need a master's degree in how to put these on. I've finally got the hang of it, so I literally just spread it a little bit and I put that round as such, and I do that. B-wall, these do get rather sticky, so I take that off, just the little extra added excess, and I push it down. So that is my barrier ring on. And then I've got my bag, which is the Pelican bag, which is, I also use a convex already pre-cut. I just literally take off the template that I've cut and I fit it in as such. Give it a good old press down, and give it a good check. So that's all done, that's all stuck, and there we go. And that is my bag change done in just about 3 minutes. So thanks for watching. I will post this, I'm posting this up in the group. I'll also post it up on my Crohn's fighting page, so I'm hoping you'll find that helpful. And that's how to get a bag off with 2 spurts of adhesive remover without so being a bit more economical, and how to use a barrier ring. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again later. Bye bye.